Solution 1. Check internet connection. If you're on mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi, or vice versa. Then, open a browser or another app that requires the internet to see if your connection is stable. If you're on Wi-Fi, restart your router to improve signal strength and stability. Solution 2. Restart your device. Step 1. Hold the power button and select Restart. Step 2. After the device restarts, check if Google Play Services is now updating correctly. Solution 3. Clear the cache and data. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Services. Step 2. Tap Storage. Step 3. Select Clear Cache or Clear Data. Solution 4. Remove and re-add Google account. Step 1. Go to Settings, Accounts, Google. Step 2. Select your Google account and tap Remove Account. Step 3. Restart your phone. Step 4. Go back to Settings, Accounts, Add Account and log back into your Google account. Solution 5. Uninstall and reinstall Google Play Services. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Services. Step 2. Tap Uninstall Updates. Step 3. Once uninstalled, open the Google Play Store and search for Google Play Services. Step 4. Install the latest version of Google Play Services. Solution 6. Update phone software. Step 1. Go to Settings, Software Update. Step 2. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Solution 7. Set the correct date and time. Step 1. Go to Settings, Date and Time. Step 2. Enable automatic date and time to ensure they're set correctly. If you're traveling across time zones, make sure the settings are updated accordingly. Solution 8. Use Android Repair. If the issue remains unresolved, it might be a deeper system issue that requires professional intervention. In such cases, using an Android repair tool like Android Repair can help. Step 1. Download the software on your computer. Step 2. Connect your Android device to your PC using the original USB cable. Then select Repair Android Repair from the toolbox. Step 2. You'll see the next screen prompting you to enter some information. Please fill in your phone's details correctly, including brand, device name, model, country or region, and mobile carrier. Once you've completed the device information, click Next. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your Android device into download mode. The tool will guide you step by step. After downloading the firmware, the tool will automatically repair your Android phone. This may take a few minutes. Solution 9. Factory Reset Android. Keep in mind that this will erase all your data, so ensure you back up your important files beforehand. Step 1. Go to Settings, System Reset. Step 2. Select Factory Data Reset. Step 3. Follow the prompts to reset your device.